So our lesson for today is about operations on scientific notations. Ano yung operations na yon? They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's have an example. Example 350 times 800 times 0.5. So after mo ma-multiply yan lahat, then you have to convert the numbers to scientific notation. So by using the associative property of multiplication, we have 350 times 800. Okay? So let us not mind the zeros. Ito na lang multiply natin. 8 times 5, we have 40. Then 8 times 3, we have 24 plus 4, we got 28. Okay? Then we count the number of zeros na hindi natin minultiply kasama dito. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, pag multiply na natin yan, ang decimal point niyan ay nandito kasi whole number yan. Then we need to multiply dun sa last na digit, which is 0.5. So, kailangan lang natin i-multiply ay ito mga significant numbers. So, 5 times 8, we got 0, 40 kasi. So, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4, we got 14. Okay, so yan yung 28 times 0.5. Now, we need to add the zeros, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, count the number of decimal point para malaman natin kung saan natin lalagay yung decimal point. So, may isang decimal point dito. So, from here, nandito yung decimal point. So, the answer is 1, 4, okay, apat na zero. So, we have 140,000. If we are going to convert this to scientific notation, so 1.4, tignan nga natin kung ilang places yung minove niya. From the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. Okay? 5 ang kanyang minove from this one, from the starting point, papunta dito. Okay? And this one is the answer. Let's have another example. 3,000 times 6,000 times 4,000. Okay? So, unahin muna natin by using the associative property. Dalawa lang muna. So, 3,000 times 6,000. Okay? So, 3 times 6, ito lang ang mind natin. Don't mind the zeros yet. Mamaya natin yan ilalagay. So, 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Then, we count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we multiply now the last number, which is 4,000. Okay, don't mind the zeros again. Total naman, lahat naman sila ay mga whole numbers. So, 8 times 4, we have 32. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, which is 72. Then, we count the number of zeros again. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, ilan yan na 0. Now, we're going to convert this to scientific notation. Remember yung significant number natin, it should be less than 9. So, from 1 to 9, so we have 7.2. Okay? Then, we count the number of zeros from the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? that is our answer. If we're going to convert this to a standard form, ito ulit yung magiging result here. Let's try another one. $90,000 times 0.0003 times 70. So 90,000 times 0.0003. Okay? So, ganun ulit. Multiply lang natin yung mga significant digits. So 9 and 3 is equal to 27. Now, yung i-add natin zeros, yun lang yung sa may mga whole numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, yung decimal place niya ay nandito. Kaya lang, minultiply natin siya sa decimal number. So, in multiplying decimal numbers, we have to count the number of decimal point, places yung nasa loob ng decimal point. So, ilan yon? 1, 2, 3, 4. At yun ang magiging movement muna ng decimal place natin para makita natin yung totoong answer. So, 4 to, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer for 90,000 times 0.0003 or 3 10,000s is 27. Then, we multiply to the third number, which is 70. So, we have 7 times 7, we got 49. And then, 7 times 2, we have 14 times 4. 14 plus 4, which is 18. And then, we add the 0 na natitira. Ito, wala na to eh. Kasi nasa loob ng decimal point yan. So, ito na lang yung natira na minultiply natin. So, dagdagan natin yan ng 0. Now, ito yung answer. Ito sa tatlo. We are going to convert this to scientific notation. So, in converting this, nandito ulit yung decimal point. Get the significant digit. So, 1.89 times 10. Then, let us move the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So, 1.89 times 10 cubed. Okay, this one is our answer. Let's try another example. What if it's division naman? So we got 78. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, in dividing this, ang di-divide lang natin ay yung significant digits. Tapos, tingnan nyo, magka-cancel yung mga 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So, 780 divided by 4 is equal to 195. And if we are going to convert this to scientific notation, dahil nandito yung kanyang decimal point, magiging 1.95 times 10 raised to the dalawang digit na minove na decimal point. So, 1.95 times 10 squared. And this one is our final answer. Okay? So that is our lesson for today. I'll be giving you an online quiz regarding this one. Okay, so now we are going to addition. So, ano naman yung addition natin sa scientific notation? So, for example, we got 350 plus 800 plus 0.5. Ito naman, pwede na natin to i-add all at the same time. So, we have 350 plus 800 plus 0.5. Okay? Kailangan natin i-align. So, we have to regroup this. So, 350 800. Tapos itong 0.5, dahil nandito yung mga decimal point nila, kailangan naka-align din siya. Okay? So, bigyan natin yan ng, let us just fill in yung mga dito, yung decimal point nila with placeholders na 0. Okay, then we're going to add, so 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Ito naman ay 0 din. And then just bring down 5. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now, if we are going to convert this to scientific notation, nandito yung decimal point. So, let us first determine the significant number, which is 1.150 times 10. Okay? So, bilangin natin kung ilan yung movement ng decimal point from yung decimal point na nandito. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 3 lang yung minove ng decimal point. Kaya kapag ito ay kinonvert natin ulit into standard form, ito lang ang magiging sagot niya. So, tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3. So, ang sagot niya ulit. Ay, sorry. So, andito ulit yung decimal point niya. Hindi nawawala. So, nasa galaw lang yan nung decimal point. Next, let's try to add another one. What if we are given 3,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000? So, let us try to add all of them at the same time. We got 3,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 0, 0, 0. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 4, we got 13. Now, yung decimal point niya ay nandito. Let us try to convert this to scientific notation again. So, 1.3 times 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Raised to the 4th power. Kaya pag ito ay kinonvert natin ulit, pabalik, magiging 1, 2, 3, 4. So, tingnan nga natin. So, we still got 13,000, which is also the same sa kanina nating nakuha. Ganun din sa subtraction. So, if we are given, kunyari, 90,000 minus plus 0.0003 minus 17. Okay, let us try to compute this. Dahil magkaiba sila ng mga operation, let us do the associative property. Ito munang una. So, 90,000 plus, okay, so we have to regroup this. So, nakita nyo yung decimal point, dapat magka-regroup. Sa subtraction and addition, kailangan ang decimal point ay laging magka-align. Hindi katulad sa multiplication and division na kahit hindi magka-align kasi binibilang lang dun yung number of zeros. Pero dito, in addition and subtraction, laging magkalinya ang mga decimal point. So, we have to regroup this one. So, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then, let us put placeholders. Okay. Then, let's just add point 0.0009. Okay, so this one is the sum ng inad natin ito. Then, let us subtract 70. So, saan natin lalagay si 70? Siyempre, dito siya kasi ang place value niya ay ones at saka tens. So, nasan yung place value ng ones and tens? Nandito. So, let us put a placeholder. So, 3 minus 0 is 3, just the same. And put the decimal point, 0. Now, itong 0 na to, hindi pa pwede dito sa 7. So, let us borrow from, dito sa katabi niya. Kaya lang sabi niya, wala rin daw siya. Ito rin, broke din daw to. Kaya, dito tayo manghiram kay 9. So, si 9, naging 8 na lang. At ito ay 10. Kaya lang sabi niya, uy, pahiram ako. Kaya naging 9. So, ito naman ay naging 10. Kaya lang sabi rin nito, uy, nakalimutan mo, manghihiram din ako. Kaya 9 na lang to, ito rin naging 10. Tapos sabi rin, tapos yun na. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 30. Then 9 minus empty, just bring down the numbers. Okay. So ito na yung answer na. Now, let us convert this to scientific notation. Andito ang decimal point natin. Let us identify the significant number, which is 8.9930003. Hanggat may significant digit, lahat yon isusulat. Okay? And then, bibilangin lang natin kung ilang beses tumakbo yung decimal point from the significant digit yung pinuntahan natin. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 lang yung tinakbo. Kaya pag kinonvert natin ulit to, we will just have the same answer. Can you